for say earlier during the day me breaking news no say atopa video bi wo hwa broni bi ekoto asebe what the bema what the will be bema ahye nenum a wo twe ne say lollipop na yehumu ene yehu say Ghanaian footballer efie akwa wono na sabi wo broni no de ne joystick ahye nenum a wo twe ne mi say lollipop lo na etie for the latest on this particular issue no and they say efie akwa the ex-wife Amanda ana yenim no as Amanda Akwa no wakasa afa nsem we ho na emsa me report sa news no me read public reaction send ya Ghana for kasa efa sa atopa video we a epie no na Amanda akeka nsem bia ema yehu sebe senia efie akwa sebe atopa video no eliki ye ewe efie akwa ne Snapchat ne so eno ene nsem e wo but mami read senia Amanda Akwa or react to this particular issue. Now, first one, opostiye eto wonua Amanda Akwa no, onu supposed to the story so say not a single person who has played me ended up in a better situation. God is sensitive about me. Be careful. It's for me funny you must say not a single person who has played me ended up in a better situation. God is sensitive about me. Be careful. Not just say, well, no Amanda no. Wo bia wedi wo no Amanda ne boni bia no sa nipa ko ne so boni no esan beto no. We be ka say na Amanda aden na wo kasa say. Me read some more things I will post here na what in say na see ye. We read no some so the boss say those of you dating our exes, do you think if they were normal we would have left them? That I said the can say mo asabe mu date wo mu awo mu date pen wo fi say na ka wo mo ya normal na ko mbe jai mo na now I'm going to some of the reactions. Let me say in some a lot of people reply to in some na Amanda whatever to you formerly known as Amanda Akwa no inti wo bi e be katan say Amanda se mo be kaya audio bi eliki ye embra na efi Akwa waware Amanda Akwa no na Amanda Akwa no tre say Jordan you know Amanda Akwa no wo fili Jordan you na efi Akwa na kra no wo ye monkey na Jordan you no trese ne bema so ene nyama esa sanse ni ni akoso wo audio no I think it was 3 or 4 years ago as our audio no leki ese mo be kaya na wo bi wo no wa hwe atopa video no e be katre Amanda say Amanda basa audio no leki ye no na wo ka sebe efi Akwa ne bema no iswa ena Amanda Akwa be reply no ka say I never said his joystick was small, man. Not to say Amanda Akwa reply the bakona ka say masa manka wo be dia da say efi Akwa say be na ne be maswa. The na make can say Jordan dear so, but manka say efi Akwa na ne dear so. Not to say yes, ahemfo kra no ebi di ebi echi. What you say? Na wo wie ye no, e na Amanda sanso ka say if you let your side chick steal your wife's video from your phone, God will let you post your own sex tape. Kama. And then asema Amanda Akwa, and formerly Amanda Akwa, what they betu ja. Ebia will be ente asem we ase. My mentress here. Amanda Akwa nangasa. I think 2 or 3 years ago, the sex tape leaky ye. The sex tape leaky ya wo be hu say na ase what the roll on. And na sheshe na say sa video no call viral pan. Sa time no na still say na still wone efi Akwa ewo ho na still wo mo aware na sa sex tape no be leaky ye no de ye beti ye no say wo bia wo leaky sa sex tape no ye wo ba bia na efi Akwa wone no ehhehye ho na tre say efi Akwa ene Amanda Akwa no wo mo aware what you say na efi Akwa e ka che na yere ne say oh ma feel but efi Akwa wa broche na yere ne so wo ni ne nchen nti efi Akwa ka tre na yere ne say wa fe no nti no wo video ne ho na won send ne ma no na yere ne so sanse wo do ni kunu ne nti no ono so video ne ho atrese wo de nyama hyehye na se o send ma efi Akwa nti na sa video no Amanda ono ni video no e wo efi Akwa phone so but esanse efi Akwa na wo so wo side chick ni nti na side chick no ebeji efi Akwa ni phone se wo miemia phone no ko hu video no nti Amanda ba bonte metre se efi Akwa ne side chick ene leaky sa tape no what you say wo no Amanda ni tape no nti eno ne nsema Amanda wo no so all reply to this was say If you let your side chick steal your wife's video from your phone, God will let you post your own sex tape. Karma. Not to say, who if you are wo ma o side chick ho kwan say me video ana me ya wo yere me send ma ono o ma o side chick ho kwan say won wi asa video no e ma wo me security sa video no na sa de na wo ye nti ende ama wankasa wako posti wankasa wo video e wo wankasa o Snapchat so nti karma e na ato what ya say nti no eno ene sema Amanda Akwa. And I formally make her say Amanda Akwa because I don't know her surname. I'm very sorry. Anytime I make her Amanda Akwa. But when you free Akwa, our repent. Sisiano, one more a divorce. What you say? Into no, any instance, man. Me person me read some commenter. By way so and some reaction. So this is a tape of Efia Akwa's joystick being leaked by a white lady has been mistakenly leaked by Ghanaian footballer on his Snapchat. This happening, according to Efia's ex-wife Amanda, is just a matter of karma at work. Years back, Amanda's explicit video of herself satisfying herself with a deodorant container surfaced online. She believes her ex-husband's negligence caused that video to be leaked, and now it's his time to share similar shame too. Amanda passed through Feinbachs today to confirm the size of the baller's mandingo and also drop some jabs at him. She went ahead to her gram stories with some more jabs. And no any insema a chief for edaho. Now very interesting. Very interesting. Nkrofo aframe ebisa me say wo mo epe video no me sremo video no de eni me phone so. But my channel baby abu benya video na hwe monko Instagram monko search for page bia your friend Feinbachs na Feinbachs you spell no FAMEBUJS Feinbachs into moi number na that me screen as no mo frame me e ga se pacho if you are on sex tape no mo send me frame sex tape no dey me ni phone so me dey me keep you obi sex tape obi agi nani no me na me fan beto me phone so na to say me mo me ho embetre me hwe na sebe me baby embetre me dabi me nya sa ade no inti no ma tremo baby e wo me sremo first video na me ye no me tremo baby a sex tape no e wo and I still ebi mo frame ebisa me sremo matremo bebi e wo sisi a mama frame ebisa me biom now a lot of people are commenting on this particular story. Ebi mo ka say insem ACC wo Ghana ebi mo ka say insem ACC I don't know say eye why na ka obeye bibi say we ye Efia Akwa say the ex-wife na ka obeye bibi say na say she has been waiting for something like this. Say obe voice it out. What you say? I don't know sema eda ho. I don't know sema eda. Asem we there. Hey, chefo. Nyama esisi o. Wo hwa send ya wo sre na nyama na. Anyway, mo ntra mo adwen e wo comment box mo chefo. Mo ntra mo adwen wo comment box mo. Now the latest on this particular story no you need the latest on this particular story the bedroom naturally say mo hu the airco I don't know I just want to gather some comments I just want to gather some comments now mema mu hu send your Ghana for who this particular story but up till now, we still don't have any explanation as to how Efia Akwa said we were not sex tape leaky here on the Snapchat handle. So up to now, we still don't know. We'll be in him. Send the phone could draw a hole and that then you say accounts no then up to now we still don't know. And so we are waiting for if there will be an official statement. We are waiting for that. If there will be an official statement, we are waiting for that. But up to now, we still don't know. I have some comments here. Will be say Obi also say Ghana in same CC. Obi say hey Ghana. That just say we share comment eba na ya dosun. na na ɛdɔ so but ɛtie for mo nkyerɛ mo adwene wɔ comment box ni mo meda ase